Hey crafty cuties, welcome back to Paper Terrace. We are officially filming in the craft studio. I haven't quite figured out lighting, and so there is a big light above where I'm filming. So I do apologize because I know there's going to be some glare, but I just had to get back into filming, and so I have quite a few packages that I wanted to unbox and open with you guys. So the next few videos lighting might not be great, and it is a little echoey in here, but we will get to a better spot eventually. So let's just finally hop in. I have a lovely package from Taperlogy, and if you are not new, then you know I've been working with this company for quite a few months now. Gosh, maybe it's almost been a year, and I really love what they stand behind. I just really enjoy the company, and I like to support companies that I think have a good heart and do good things with what they are given. And so I love working with them, and I love their supplies. So let's go ahead and see what is in this package. This time she actually just sent me a surprise package. She always makes sure that I like everything, but I only glanced over the order form and said, yes, send it to me, because I like getting surprises and I've loved everything I've been sent. I'll have everything linked below, and I'll also have a discount code for you guys if you're interested. So first of all, I love using like doily type items like this, and these are cool. They kind of look like more like snowflake shapes. Let's open them up maybe. Yeah, maybe we'll open a few of the items in here, but I'm really excited about some of the things that I see. These are a really cool texture. I think I've had some before. Ooh, okay, maybe they look more like kind of like leaves. That would be fun to use. Yeah, I've had some of these before in different shapes, so I know that I already like them. But I definitely feel like I could use these. Like, yeah, that looks super snowflake-esque. But there's some others. Ooh, really pretty. That one right there. So let's see what else we have. It looks like, whoopsies. It looks like there are a couple packs of these similar types. Okay, and I feel like personally I like this style a little bit better. I have to figure out my camera angle because it's a lot different than what I'm used to. But let's look these up. And so I'm so sorry because I keep shaking. I have to get a chair because I'm filming at a very taller height than what I'm used to, which is nice. But so we have, that one kind of did get a little bit bent, but that's okay. It looks like it will bend back just fine. So lots of doily shapes. And the thing I like about these packs is that they have a bunch of different shapes. It's not just one pack of the same thing. So I think this is kind of nice to have in your stash because there's just a lot of unique pieces. I am excited about these. So these say collage card, and you can see they're like a little mason jar. They even have the lids. Am I gonna open everything? Okay, you know what? We're gonna go through a little quicker because some people might just want to see what's in here, and then I'll go through and open some of the items because these look really intriguing, but I kind of want to see everything real quick. Okay, I always get a good use out of these mushroom type stickers, and I love mushrooms, and they are like the washi style sticker, so I'm very excited for these. I've had similar before, but I'm always using them up, so I'm very excited for that. Fragments, and so this looks kind of like a collage pack because it looks like it has a bunch of vellum and different types of little papers. And I think these are really fun, again, just because it has so many different pieces. I'm having a hard time with this angle, so I hope it looks okay on your guys' end. These are more like washi stickers, and these are more of a, I guess you would call, was that 50s style? Different people, again, we'll open this up at the end. This isn't so much my style, but I do like having these types of things on hand, just because sometimes when I'm making a journal for someone, they really are interested in that. Okay, this is fun. See, the thing I really like about Taperlogy is Florence and probably her team. They take a really good amount of time to choose things to put in their shop that they know are good quality. A lot of the things come packaged really nice like this. I know I said I wasn't gonna open everything, but I'm not sure what's in here, so I wanna see. So this looks like, I think, okay, like different frames, and again, a good variety of pack. These have a really nice feel to them. Again, they sort of feel like wallpaper, like they're not thin and cheap at all. They're a really nice texture. So lots of frames and labels in this pack, and there's a ton. So those are fun. Interested to see what's in this one. I think it's so cute how it's all wrapped up, and I know everyone loves getting things that come packaged nicely. So, let's see. Ooh, okay, funny. I think I'm excited. So, oh my gosh, okay, this is fun for me. This is lots of different like labels, and I love that there's just such a variety in here. This is such a fun pack to get. So labels, like tickets, little papers that you can use for collaging. In fact, I'm working on a project where I'm using these types of papers right now. I've had some of these before, more collagey type papers. So this pack is just a really nice variety pack of items. Oh, there's even some like stickers in there. More stickers, like postage card. Yeah, this is awesome. Labels, stickers, and more papers. Okay, let's see what this is. So I guess I did have to open some things to figure out what it was, but we'll go back through and open the few that I haven't opened yet. Oh, these look like tags, and these are, again, really nice texture. I don't know if you can see this on camera, but it's like a homemade paper feel. And so there's lots of different tags. And again, it's such a nice variety pack. Like, it's raised, it almost seems embossed, but I don't think you can see that on camera. And in fact, I can't even tell. I hope that was focusing. Oh, these are cute. Very, very cute. These are nice quality. And there are so many. Excited about those. And let's see, is this the last thing? So this looks like a really big pack of possibly stickers. So we will have to open this up, and I'll have to grab my scissors. I'm just figuring out where everything is in my, well, I don't even have everything set up in here, to be quite honest, so. Okay, on the back here, there is a picture that gives you an idea of what's in here. But let's see. Even this packaging, like, I could reuse that for something super cute. Let's see. It says, oh, it's 100 sticker set. Okay, fun. They're like clear acetate type stickers. So it looks like there's just a ton of different ones, like all my favorite styles, like butterflies, mushrooms, all kinds of like florals and things like that. Tickets and more butterflies, love that. I'm just gonna set those there. And I'm thinking that they're all kind of like the similar style, but again, there's so many different ones. So I think this is so cute. I think this is packaged so nicely. I think these items would be so great for like a gift for someone, because if you ordered it, it's already packaged so nicely. There's a lot of thought that goes into, again, the things that is sold on the Taperlogy site. I know I've had people tell me before, like, oh, you can get some of these things so much less expensive on AliExpress or those types of places. But like I said, if you want to shop on AliExpress, you can totally do that. I just like the fact that anytime I've ordered things from this company with my own money many times. This one was sent to me, but I've always had everything come together in one box. There's never been any issues with like damages or anything like that. And I've never like been disappointed. And from what I've heard from shopping on AliExpress, sometimes you don't exactly know what you're getting. But I feel like on the Taperlogy site, they do a really good job at adding photos to show you exactly what you're getting, so there's no surprises. And I just think that that is really important. And again, I just love supporting a company that I know is doing good and putting lots of care and thought into the products that they sell on their site. So there's so many fun different stickers. I'm excited to have these in my collection. And I kind of like that these stickers are all on a little card like this, or a little sheet, I should say, because sometimes the single stickers are a bit hard to get off. I do have a little tool that helps me, but this is so much easier, you know? Like, it's just so much easier when it's on a card like that. Let's grab one of these like labels to put it on just so we can see how cool it looks. I'm trying to see which one I want to use real quick. We'll use this one. Oh, I think this is the center. Oh, okay, these are all like frames. Okay, let's not put it on one of those. Let's put it, I don't want to ruin this. I want to keep it. There we go. Like, that's so cute. Okay, I feel like there was one or two more things that I said I was going to open, didn't I? Okay, I want to see what the mason jars are all about. So, it says collage card, but I'm not exactly sure what that means. Okay. So, they're basically acetate, like, I think they're stickers. So, they're not all mason jars, but some of them, I think you could layer things underneath. And that might look really cool on a page. Let me see if these are stickers. Again, sometimes it can be hard to get the backing off. I wish I had my little Bujo. These might not be stickers. I can't quite tell. Actually, just kidding. I think they are. And if they are, I think that might be really nice because sometimes it can be hard to know how to put acetate type items down on paper without using the wrong adhesive. There we go. Yep, so it is a sticker, so I think that's really nice. And what I think you can do is pair this with, like, let's say, here, let's just put something together real quick. I'll open this one up here. Fragment. So let's grab one of these papers, but again, you can see there's a variety of different papers in here, along with like vellum pieces as well. This is a really fun haul for sure. I think I'm going to use one of these ones. And then what you could do is create, so you could put this on a page, and that's not going to work because of the glare. Let's try to lift that up a bit. So you'll see it better in just a sec. Let me open up the mushroom stickers. You could create a little scene using some of your stickers or, you know, whatever you have, of course. I don't know if I actually want to use these right now, but I think you'll get the point, what I'm trying to say. I don't know, I'm sure you can do lots of fun things with these, but I just wanted to see. So basically you could make a cute little scene in here. You know, maybe some of the florals. I'm not going to take that off the backing because I think you get a good idea. And you could layer like some paper behind because then you'll be able to see it much better and make it look like a little jar of something cute. I think that would be so fun. I really like that. I might have to use some of these for my Patreon members. I'm not sure, but I mean, you could, I just love layering all kinds of things, and then you could like make a whole little card, like you could cut that down and just have, this makes me want to do like a journaling layout. That would be so fun. So these are not something I would ever pick out on my own because I wouldn't know what to do with them, but having them right here in front of me, I'm so excited. And in this pack, you get quite a few. I don't know if it says how many. 20 pieces. So, and they're really good quality, so these would last you quite a long time. There's even like perfume type bottles, but again, I think that would look cute with the same idea, like I was just saying. So I hope that you guys liked seeing this haul. You'll see me use these items, you know, throughout the time because I'm just going to add everything in my stash. But again, if you want to use my discount code, I'm going to have it linked below for you. I believe it's 15% off. So that's really awesome. And thank you guys for being here with me. I will see you in the next video. Bye guys.